Hi friends, I am going to teach you profit and loss. So let's start. Question number 1 is the cost price of an article is 1650. Find the selling price of the article if the article is sold at a loss of 25% after spending rupees 150. 1. Transportation. Here are given 4 options. Option A is 1325. Option B is 1350. Option C is 1375 and option D is 1400. The cost price of an article is rupees 1650. Cost price is 1650 after spending 150. So total expenditure will be 1650 plus 150, right? So total cost price will be 0 and 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, so 0, 1 plus 6 is 7 and 1, so it will be 8 and 1. The cost price is total 1800 after spending 150, right? And loss percent is equal to 25%, right? Loss percent is equal to 25%. In the question given, loss is 25%. We need to know what is selling price. So selling price is equal to, our target to find what is selling price, right? So selling price is equal to question mark. We now selling price is equal to cost price. In case loss, so will be minus loss. In case profit, will be plus profit. So here are given loss. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So selling price is equal to, what is cost price? Our cost price is 1800. 1800 minus loss. So loss is 25%. Loss is 25% one cost price, right? So here will be 25% of 1800, right? So selling price is equal to 1800 minus 25 by 100 into 1800. Correct? 00 and 00 gets cancelled. So 1800 selling price is equal to minus 25 into 8 will be 200. 0, 20 is remainder. 25 on the 25 plus 20 will be 45. So loss is 450. 25% of 1800 is 450. So selling price is equal to 0 and 0, 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. Here is 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1. So our selling price is equal to 1350. 1350. Which option is the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer, right? See here friends, cost price is 1650 and he spent another 150. So total expenditure is 1800. So we can say the cost price is 1800, right? Loss percent is given in the question 25%. So what is 25% of 1800? So 25% is 450 of 1800. So after calculate, we found selling price is equal to 1350. Move to next question. Question number 2. A chair was sold at 10% profit for 660. The cost price of the chair was. Our target to find what is cost price. Here are given 4 options. Option A is 733.33%. Option B is 550. Option C is 600 and option D is 650. All are given in rupees. A chair was sold at 10% profit. So now see here, cost price is equal to, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, right? We know friends, cost price always will be 100%. So selling price is equal to 100% plus profit. Profit is 10%, right? So selling price is equal to 100% plus 10% is 110%, right? In the question given in the rupees, a chair was sold at 10% profit for rupees 660. So selling price is given 660 rupees, right? In the percent, selling price is 110, but in the rupees, selling price is equal to 660. So we can say 100% is equal to 660, because both are selling price in a percent 110% and selling price in a rupees 660. So 100% is equal to 660. Now 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 11 6 66. So 1% is equal to 6. We need to know what is cost price. Cost price is 100%. What is cost price? Cost price is 100%. So what is 100%? 1 into 100 will be 100%. Similarly, 6 into 100 will be 600. So the cost price is 600, right? Option C is the correct answer. See here once again. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. We know that cost price always will be 100%. So 100 plus 10 will be 100%. So selling price is 100%. In the question given, selling price is in the rupees 660. So 100% is equal to 660. 1% will be 6. So 100% will be 600. So our answer is 600. Option, which option? Option C is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 3 is, after selling a table for 924, a man gains 10%. Find the cost price of the table. After selling a table for rupees 924, a man gains 10%. Find the cost price of the table. We need to know what is the cost price, right? After selling a table, so selling price is given 924. Now see here friends, we know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, and we also know cost price is always will be 100% plus profit is 10%. So total selling price is equal to 100% plus 10% will be 110%. Selling price in the rupees given 924, but in percent selling price is 110%. So we can say 110% is equal to 924, because both are selling price. So 100% plus is equal to 924. Now see here 11 8 ja 88, right? And here 88 plus 4 44. So 11 4 ja 44. 10% is equal to 84, right? So 1% will be 8.4. Our target to find what is cost price. Cost price is 100%. So 1 into 100 will be 100%. Similarly, 8.4 into 100 will be 840. So our answer is 840. Each option is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Selling price is given 924. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So selling price is 100% plus profit. Selling price will be 110%. In the rupees, selling price is 924%. But in the percent, selling price is equal to 110. So 110% is equal to 94. So 1% will be 8.4. Our target to find what is cost price. Cost price is 100%. So 1 into 100 will be 100%. Similarly, 8.4 into 100 will be 840. So option A is the correct answer. For watching this video, if you really like it, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and share with your friend who is preparing examination. So once again, thanks.